In this video, I will show you how to fix if your Rockstar Games launcher is not responding, or maybe it's crashed or it's freezing or just not opening. There's a couple of fixes you can try, so make sure to follow this full video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you can try is from your desktop. If you come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, in here you want to type security and then open up Windows Security underneath best match. Now from here, what you want to do is click onto virus and threat protection, and then on the next screen come and click onto manage settings underneath your virus and threat protection settings. What you then want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom where you're going to see a section about exclusions, and click the link here to add or remove exclusions. You might get a permission window come up, so click yes. What you need to do is add the Rockstar Games folder as an exclusion. So you can see I've already done this because I've been having this similar problem myself, but all you would do is basically click the add an exclusion button. From here you want to select folder, and then you can use your computer's file explorer to find your Rockstar Games folder. Now generally it's going to be in your C drive underneath program files or program files x86. Once you do that, it's in alphabetical order, so just come down to R and you should find your Rockstar Games folder there. Just click select folder and that's going to add it as an exclusion. Once you've done that, what I would recommend doing is just restarting your computer, and then what you can do is try the Rockstar Games launcher again to see if it now opens and no longer has any problems with freezing or not launching or something like that. Now, if that didn't work for you, another thing you can try is if you open up your file explorer. So come down to your search box, type File Explorer, and open your File Explorer underneath Best Match. Once you have your File Explorer opened, what you want to do is locate your Rockstar Games folder. So to do that, you want to come to this menu on the left-hand side, scroll down and click onto this PC, and then double-click to go into your C drive. Now, it's either going to be, again, in Program Files or Program Files x86. And again, what you want to do is just scroll down until you find the Rockstar Games folder. Now, what you want to do is actually rename this. So if you actually click to select the folder, right-click, and what you want to do is then click onto rename, and all you want to do is put a dash at the beginning, so it looks something like this. You're going to get a permission come up, just click yes, and once that's done, that should now be renamed. As you can see, it's going to be at the top of the list now because it's got the dash. Once you've done that, come to your desktop, and if you have the launcher installed down here, right click, and what you can then do is try to run this as administrator. So from this menu, click onto run as administrator, and then hopefully that should fix the problem, and you should now have the Rockstar Games launcher load through successfully. If after trying this you are still having problems, then the last thing you can try is from your desktop, you want to come down to your search box, in here type settings, and then open up your settings underneath best match. Now once you're in your settings, if you come over to the left hand side and click onto apps, and then click onto installed apps, and what you want to do is actually search for OneDrive. So you can use the search box at the top, type OneDrive. Now, if it is coming up, you can try uninstalling this. Of course, don't uninstall it if you do use OneDrive. But I do know that this does cause a lot of compatibility issues with the Rockstar Games launcher. So as you can see for myself, I've actually already uninstalled it, which did fix my problem as well. But that's another thing you can do if your Rockstar Games launcher is freezing or not responding. If you actually uninstall this, you should now be able to get it up and running. So that is how to fix Rockstar Games launcher not responding. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Rockstar Games and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.